Okay, traders, I have an update on the Netflix trade. As you can see, I've managed to add some couple of positions, including the position on Ethereum and Bitcoin. As you can see, everything looks smooth. Let's navigate towards the daily time frame. As you can see here on the daily time frame, the market still shows potential of dropping towards that level down there. The 1 hour, it's currently on a pullback, right? Check the 4 hour. Price action looks smooth. Yeah, including the time, like the weekly time frame, we have potential to reach that 86 level. Okay, regarding Bitcoin, I still feel like the market might drop a bit down. So if that happens, then my account will be exposed into major drawdown, and that's not what I want, because this is a small account. I just want to play safe, you understand? And it's a rand account. So yeah, let's just see how this trades turns out. So yeah, we'll look at the market in few hours. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm back. As you can see, I've managed to close the Ethereum and Bitcoin trade on a loss, but I'm still holding this Netflix trade. As you can see, this is the loss I took on Bitcoin and Ethereum. 200 rand loss, not really bad. I love managing my accounts pretty well, right? I don't really want any mess, right? As you can see. Yeah, but this is nothing. We still have running profits. As you can see, we have 566 rand running profit. This asset has potential to continue dropping down, right? So we're just going to pay attention on Netflix. I don't want to really mix around a lot of trades, like add a lot of trades here, because this account is small and I just want to play safe. Do you understand? So yeah, let's see how the market reacts. Everything looks good, and yeah, the time is 12:15 right now. So yeah, we'll come back in a few hours and see what happens. Probably during the New York session, maybe this asset will start moving, because now the market is still closed, right? So let's see what happens. Okay, traders, I am back. As you can see, the time is 5:38, which is 22 minutes to 6. Everything looks smooth. I think it has potential, right, to reach that TP pretty fast, right? We are on 800 profit. As you can see, this is the loss I took earlier on, but worry less, we'll bring back the whole money. Yeah, man, it happens, right? Losses are part of the game. Losses are part of this industry. As long as you don't add up on your losses or try to hold your losses, right? When you see that the account it's not big enough to hold the drawdown, just close the trades. You will enter properly, right, when you get a good zone. So as you can see, the market has opened. The market is moving smoothly here on the daily time frame. This asset has potential, right, to drop a bit down. So as you can see, it has potential to reach this zone here and probably go all the way down. So let's just see what happens. But I don't think I'll close this trade. Maybe I might add up more trades, right? Because man, come on, this thing has to melt. I think I will add up some more positions here, right? We'll just see how the market behaves on small time frames like the 1 hour and the 4 hour. If I see anything like a signal telling me that I need to sell, I'll definitely take more positions, you know? So yeah. Okay, yeah, let's just see how this trade performs. I'll just give you guys an update in a few hours. So we'll come back in a few hours. Okay, I'm back. The time is 6:31, an hour apart from the previous results. So yeah, let's look at what's going on here. As you can see, I've managed to add some couple of positions. 0.01. I use the standard lot size. I've managed to add one position, as you can see, right? So yeah, man, I think this asset has potential to continue dropping down, and you can see here with my stop loss, I'm just calculating the drawdown if it will affect my account or not, and I just saw that it won't. Just for in case if it goes back up, for a retracement, it won't affect my account. Okay. Whew. 0.01 doesn't pay, guys. Yo. But let me just set my take profit there. Yeah. You know what? I'm just practicing, right? Although, even though I'm practicing on a real account, but this is just a practice for me so that I know when the bull run begins, what is it that I'm going to do on the main account, because I want to hold this asset for a very long time. So I just want to practice and see how it performs, because I've never took any trades on Netflix before. Do you understand? So I just want to see the performance. I love what I'm looking at right now. We have 867 running profit. Yeah, the time is already 6:32. It's a Friday. Come on. I don't think this asset will hit our TP today. Probably on Monday or Tuesday. Yeah. So yeah, man. Before I forget, let me show you something, right? I want to break down the charts, because this is what I would like to do with every video on this channel. If I show you guys the results of the trades that I took, I also need to show you how I was able to catch those trades. So now let's dive to the charts, break down the charts for you so that you know exactly how I approach the market, right? Sure. Okay, let's break down the charts in the most easiest and simplest way. This is Netflix daily time frame, right? So every time when I look at the charts, whether the market is above or below, I always ask myself this question. For example, you can see the market is above. What is it that will force the market to go back down? That's the first question that I ask myself. What is it? And for this asset here, I do have an answer. Okay, I want you guys to pay attention down here. What happened? The market gave us a double bottom right here, right? At this level. As you can see, I've marked that level. Gave us a double bottom there. Then the second thing, which is the most important thing, right? That happened. It's the most important. It's a change of character, right? Change of character occurred at 78 level. Right, now let's look at the third thing, which is very important that happened. Look at this area here. We have an opening gap exactly at the area where change of character occurred. Let me mark the zone right there. That's our opening gap, right? Now, what was supposed to happen is a pullback. The market was supposed to give us a pullback around this level here. We're supposed to pull back towards this zone and continue pumping up. Right? Listen to me. Above this gap here, we have another gap called the efficiency or fair value gap or imbalance right here at this area. Pay attention. Look at this level here. So we have three confirmations telling us that, look, this thing has to come back down. Now, we have another confirmation, the fourth one. Right here, we have another opening gap. You can see we have a lot of gaps. So we have four things telling us that this asset has to drop. Now, for us to be able to take a trade, for example, me that took a trade, I had to wait for something, which is candlestick patterns, to confirm that, look, sellers are stepping in. Now, let me show you guys what really happened. I have to navigate towards the 4-hour time frame, right? Let's go to the 4-hour chart, because we already have our 4 confirmations. So we're looking for the 5th confirmation in order for us to sell. Yes. Look at the 4-hour chart here. Pay attention. You can see that the market is losing momentum, right? Look at this level. The market is losing momentum. We have an accumulation there. The market's telling us that now sellers are stepping in, buyers are weak, right? Hence why the market dropped down. Now, when I saw this, I was like, I don't like the price action on the 4-hour. I need to navigate towards the smaller time frame, probably the 1 hour. Let me go and look at the price action on the 1 hour so that I can take my decision from there. Now, let's navigate towards the 1 hour real quick. Okay, this is the 1 hour time frame, right? I want you guys to notice something here. You can see that this asset around this level has been accumulating. So what I waited for is a breakout below this accumulation to confirm that the market is ready to sell. Now, look at this. We got a breakout around this level at 97. This is the 97 level. When I saw this breakout happening, I waited for a pullback, right? Saw a pullback around this level. Then I thought, wait, should I sell or not? I was like, nah, I need another confirmation. I need another break of structure, right? Because we have a change of character. The market gave us a pullback. Usually I was supposed to enter my trade from this level, right? So I was like, nah, let me wait for a second break of structure. I waited for the market to break this 95 level. As you can see, it broke that zone. Then immediately when I saw the market dropping down, I waited for a pullback. Then I took my trades around this level. Look at the screen recording. Look at the screen recording. Look at the zone where I took my positions. You'll see the same zone. Then from here, the market kept playing around this level. Right? Then I was like, okay, before I can scale, let me wait for a break of structure, right? I was like, okay, let me wait for a break of structure at this level here. You can see 93 level, we got a break. You can see the market broke that level. When I saw one candlestick breaking that level, I took my sell. I thought in my mind the market will continue dropping with high momentum because look at this. These are big candles on the 1 hour. So I thought it's going to continue further down. Unfortunately, you can see the market wants to pull back, right? And I have positions around that level there. So I don't mind. Even though the market goes back up like this on Monday or Tuesday, I won't experience any hectic drawdown because that's a perfect zone where I took my trades, right? Then from here, I believe the market will continue dropping. Why? Because we have all these gaps that needs to be attended down here, as you can see. Do you understand? So this is basically how I was able to take my trade. Pure price action, no confusion. It's break of structure, pull back. Break of structure, pull back. Break of structure, as you can see, pull back, you enter. So yeah, right now I'm just warming up. But I believe that the market will continue giving us some beautiful trades. And all I can say is peace. Let me see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah.